Good morning and hi everyone. How are you all? We have started with our second chapter of English grammar. Yes, yes or no? Yes. In first chapter we studied about the alphabet, correct? In second chapter yesterday we were studying about the alphabetical order. What we were studying about? We were studying about alphabetical order. How letters are arranged in alphabetical order. If A is first, then which will be second letter, B will be second, which will be third letter, C will be the third letter, which will be the fourth letter, D will be the fourth letter. In this way, we studied yesterday letters. How many letters total? 26 letters. How many letters? We studied 26 letters are arranged in alphabetical order, and we did some examples, 6 to 7 examples we did. Like I, J, for example, I, J, M, O. Then if the words are in alphabetical order, it is okay. But if words are not in alphabetical order, if the first one is J, then is M, then is B, and then C. Now if you have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order, how you arrange these letters in alphabetical order? First will come which? First will come B, right? After B, which letter will come? C will come. After C, which letter will come? J letter will come. And after J, which letter will come? M letter will come. So these letters, 26 letters are there in English alphabet, and these 26 letters are arranged in alphabetical order. Now what which from where order starts? How it starts? How does order start? It starts from A and it ends at Z. Correct? It starts at A. After A, what comes? B, B, C, then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. You know it very well. You have studied this. You have studied A to Z, A B, C, D from nursery onwards. You are studying it, right? And now there were some examples. Yesterday I had shown you. Here it was told that write down the word for each picture and then arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Now first picture was of tree. First picture was of tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Second picture was egg, E-G-G, egg. Next is bell, B-E-L-L. Next, after that is saw, S-A-W, saw. Fourth one is camel. Fifth one is rope. Sixth one is king, K-I-N-G, king. Seventh one is zip, Z-I-P, zip. And we forgot two words. We forgot of iron yesterday. I-R-O-N, iron. These two pictures are there here downside. Iron, and one more is given, that is jug. So total how many words are there? 9 words are there. Now these 9 words we are going to arrange in alphabetical order. Now first word which is given over there is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Now is this word in alphabetical order? You will say yes. If you will say yes, then T is before E. It is like this order: A, B, C, D, or then A, B, C, T, E. It is like this: A, B, C, T, E, F, G. T is there or in sequence, in serial or in order? T is there or after C? No. So we are going to write down words in alphabetical order. Now these letters, in word tree. Now in which word? In word tree, we are going to write down letters in alphabetical order. Now in tree word, which word will come first? E will come first. After that, second E will come first. Right? After E, then which will come? R will come. And the last will be T. Now this answer you are going to write down here. Here, examples, you can write down answers over here. Correct? Here 10 are given. From 10 we have 9 pictures. How many pictures we have? We have 9 pictures, so we are going to write down 9. Now second one is egg. E-G-G, egg. Come on now, we'll start. A, B, C, D, E. E is there, yes. E, F, G. G is there, yes. We will write down now 2 G's are there, so we will write down 4 G's. So egg is correct. So this is correct alphabetical order of word. Now next third one is bell. Which is third one? Third one is bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Now which letter will come first? I think so this word is also as it is. B is coming first, E is coming after B, and after that is L, L. Next word which is given in the picture is saw. S-A-W. Now here there are so many changes. Which letter will come first? A will come first. After A, which letter will come? S will come. And after S, which letter will come? W will come. Understood? We are arranging them in alphabetical order. Do you remember? Do you remember yesterday we studied about alphabetical orders? After A, which letter will come? S will come, and after S, which letter will come? W will come. Next one is camel. Fifth one. Camel. See here, numbers are wrong. Fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now which is fifth one? Fifth one is camel. Now we have to arrange this word in correct alphabetical order. Now which letter will come first? A will come first. After A, which will come? C letter will come. After C letter, E letter will come. Now come on, find out which letter will come after E. There will be L letter after E, and after L there will be last letter which comes in the alphabetical order series is M. Right? Now next example which we are going to study is rope. R-O-P-E, rope. Now come on, tell which letter will come first. Come on, say. Now sit in front of mobile and say which letter will come first. Come on, start. A, B, C, D, E. E is there? Yes. Correct? After E, then F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. O letter will come after E. Correct? Then next will be, after O, what is there? Then P is there. P, Q, R. So P will become third letter, and after P will be R. So this is correct alphabetical order of spelling rope. Understood? Next example which is given over here is king. Next example which is given over here is king. Now which letter will come first? Can anyone tell? Is there any guessing? You don't have to guess. You have to start immediately with alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G comes first. So G letter will come first. After G, which will come? I think I. After I, K, and then N. So this is the correct sequence of alphabets in the alphabetical order of the words. Okay. Next one is zip. Next example is what? Z-I-P, zip. Now come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So first letter which will come over here is I. After I, the letter which will come is P. And the last letter, you know, Z is the last letter everywhere. So Z will be the last letter over here also. Okay. So in this way we have done at least now how many we have done? We have done 8 examples. Now 9th example which is given over here is iron. I-R-O-N, iron. So first letter which will come over here is I. Right? Then I, J, K, L, M, N. N will be the next letter which will come over here. After N will be O. Correct? M, N, O, then P, Q, R. So R will be after O. So this is the correct alphabetical order of the words which are given in our book. The last example which is given over there is jug. J-U-G, jug. Now the first letter which will come is G. Come on, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G comes first. After G, which letter will come? J letter will come after G, and the last letter which will come is U. So in this way we have completed 10 examples of the letters in alphabetical order. Have you understood all examples? You have to write down these all examples in your book. You have your grammar books. If you don't have your grammar books, you can take your English notebook, and in English notebook you can write down all these examples. Now it is not possible for you to see in grammar book, then I have written all examples in yesterday's period also. 6 examples I have written in yesterday's period, and 10 examples today we have written in today's period. Okay? If I want to revise it again, if I ask you total how many alphabets are there in English, then you should be able to tell me, ma'am, there are 26 alphabets in English. Which are those? If I ask you, can you tell me which are those? Then you should start from A to Z. You should start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the correct alphabetical order of the letters. Total how many letters are there in English alphabets? 26. And which are those? Just now I have told you, from A to Z. And if I ask you which letter comes after D, then you should be able to tell me, ma'am, the letter which comes after D is E, right? Which letter comes before D? Then you should be able to tell me C letter comes before D. In this way, letters are arranged in alphabetical order. Letters are arranged in alphabetical order, and if such question comes in exam, परीक्षेत जर असा प्रश्न आला, arrange the words in alphabetical order. If I will give you one word, for example, mango. If I say, arrange the word in alphabetical order. Now, which word is given to you? Mango. Then what you will do? You are going to arrange mango word in alphabetical order. So, first letter which will come is A. Correct? Because A is always first. After A, which letter will come? You can start then counting. You can say in your mind during exam A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So G is second letter which comes in alphabetical order. After G, which letters will come? I think M. Come on, let us count. C. After G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So M will be the letter which will come after G. After M, which letter will be there? Next one will be N, and the last letter will be O. And this is your answer in exam, and you will get full marks. Understood? So in this way we have studied about alphabet. Correct? Alphabet. In alphabets what we studied about capital forms of letters. We studied about small forms of letters. In capital forms, height of the letters is same. If you are writing capital letters, then all letters are in same height. But in small letters, whether height is same or what, A is small, then B is up. Correct or not? It is having straight line up. If you are writing G, then G comes down. So in small letters, height of the letters is not the same. It is different. Small letters have different height, and capital letters which we write, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, that letters are in same height. After that we studied how these letters are written in alphabetical order. Correct? These all things we have studied in first chapter and second chapter of English grammar. Have you understood? So then what you are going to do? You are going to take any 5 names. What you will do? You will take any 5 names. For example, I will give you, now itself I will give you 5 names. Or 5 spellings you can say, or names of fruits. If I give you 5 words, you should be able to write down those 5 words in alphabetical order. So what will be your homework today? To write down words to write down letters, not words, to write down letters in alphabetical order. If I give you examples like apple, okay. If I give you example cucumber, If I give you example, banana. Now A you have to write down 3 times, okay? Let it be, no problem. If A is 3 times, write down 3 times. Next one, can you tell any example? Orange. The fifth one I give you is guava. So I have given you 5 examples, and these 5 examples you are going to arrange in alphabetical order. What you have to do, you have to write down spelling, you have to put dash and write down answers in front of it. This homework you are going to do where you are going to write down in your notebook. Have you understood? Thank you for today. See you tomorrow.